Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 17th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Ark Restaurants. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Ark Restaurants has just released their financial results for the fourth quarter and fiscal year ended September 28th, 2024. It's an interesting report with several key points to discuss.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Ark Restaurants reported a net revenue of $43.4 million for the fourth quarter, slightly down from $44.4 million last year. John, what does this tell us about their performance?
While the revenue has seen a slight decline, it's important to note that the net loss for the quarter has significantly improved to $4.5 million from $10.4 million last year. This indicates that Ark Restaurants is managing its costs better, despite the revenue dip. Their adjusted EBITDA for the quarter was $503,000, down from $585,000, showing some operational challenges, but also cost management improvements.
Operational challenges and strategic moves. Ark Restaurants faced some operational challenges this quarter. Can you elaborate on the same-store sales and the impact of the El Rio Grande closure?
Certainly. Same-store sales decreased by 3.6% in the fourth quarter and 1.1% for the full year, reflecting some headwinds in consumer spending or competitive pressures. The closure of El Rio Grande resulted in a loss of $876,000, which is part of their strategic restructuring. Additionally, they recorded a goodwill impairment of $4 million, which is a significant non-cash charge impacting their financials.
Financial position and future outlook. Looking at their financial position, Ark Restaurants has $10.3 million in cash and $5.2 million in debt. How does this position them for future growth?
Ark Restaurants is in a relatively stable financial position with more cash than debt, which provides some flexibility. They are expecting a $5.5 million gain from terminating a lease at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Tampa, which will further strengthen their cash position. However, they need to be cautious about potential future impairments, especially with ongoing challenges at some locations.
Key takeaways. In summary, Ark Restaurants has shown some resilience in managing costs despite a slight revenue decline. Their financial position remains stable, and strategic moves like lease terminations could provide future benefits. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Ark Restaurants is navigating a challenging environment with some strategic adjustments. Investors should watch for how they manage their operational challenges and leverage their financial position for growth. It's a cautious but potentially rewarding investment.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Ark Restaurants' performance in the comments below.